को कॉन्टोरिंग कब और कैसे यूज़ करना है, दैट इज़ अ वेरी वास्ट चैप्टर. कॉन्टोरिंग इज़ अ वेरी वास्ट चैप्टर इन इटसेल्फ. बट जो भी आपके फेस का स्ट्रक्चर है, ओके, जो भी आपके फेस का स्ट्रक्चर है, यू हैव टू मेक इट अकॉर्डिंग टू दी द मोस्ट स्पेसिफिक और जो मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल स्ट्रक्चर होता है फेस का, एंड दैट इज़ इन ओवल शेप. अगर आपका फेस स्क्वायर है या राउंड है, यू हैव टू कॉन्टोर ऑन द पार्ट्स वेयर योर फेस विल एंड अप लुकिंग लाइक एन ओवल फेस. ओके, सो वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड कि अगर आप एक प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हो या फिर अगर आप एक नॉर्मल पर्सन हो या किसी और का आप मेकअप करना चाहते हो, ट्राई टू फीचर कि उनका फेस का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है. सो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अ कॉन्टोरिंग, आपको ये जानना पड़ेगा कि उनका जो फेस का स्ट्रक्चर है उसको आपको ओवल शेप में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो द मेन आइडिया इज़ अबाउट कॉन्टोरिंग इज यू हैव टू चेंज द शेप ऑफ द face into the very specific oval shape which we have in the face category. या अगर आपकी face already oval है, so you don't need contouring and you have a perfect face. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you are already my subscribers, if you are new to my channel, and if you're watching my face for the first time, my name is Rafika. I do different makeup, beauty and lifestyle videos. So we are all very confused where to contour, bronze, highlight, blush, because it's all on the same part of our face. So today I'm here to make your doubts clear. You know how to contour, bronze, highlight and blush correctly. So without talking too much, let's get started. My hair back very nicely so that you can see me and focus on everything that I show very nicely. So if I see downwards again and again, it is because my mirror is here, so don't get confused and just concentrate on what I'm going to show you. So first thing first, I'm going to show you how to contour. So I'm going to use the stick by Miss Claire. This is the contour stick by Miss Claire. You can use any contour stick. This is in the shade NG1. So this is the shade. Okay, so you need a contour stick which is suppose 3 to 4 shade darker to your skin tone. You can go 2 to 3 shade also dark, but I like to go 3 to 4 shades darker. You can use your fingers to dab the contour. You can also use a brush, anything you are comfortable with. So what I'm going to do is take this product, use my fingers, and first I need to place the product where I need to contour. The most important part is you have to know where to contour. So if you see this hairline of yours, and you have 2 points, okay, this is the hairline from where you start to contour, but where to contour. Okay, यहाँ से आप नीचे तो जाओगे, but you cannot go this way or that way. You have to see where your cheekbone is. This is my cheekbone, and you just need to go on the hollows of your cheekbone. If this is your cheekbone, this is on the high point, मतलब ये निकला हुआ है, but you need to go on something which is like you can poke और वो अंदर जाए. So this is the hollow of my cheek. So this is the hollow of my cheek, so put 1 point here. So that will make it easy, and you just need to follow this one and go towards your ears. If you see, that is exactly where I need to contour. This is the part where you need to put your contour. I'm not blending it out now, but this is the part where you need to contour and blend. Okay, so आपको कितने तक नीचे आना है, मतलब यहाँ तक कहाँ आपको स्टॉप करना है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो. देयर आर डिफरेंट वेरिएंट्स ऑफ चीक बोन्स. बहुत सारे लोगों को चीक बोन्स हाईलाइट करना पसंद है जिनके बाहर निकले हुए होते हैं. सो यू कैन गो अबव इन दिस डायरेक्शन, दिस यू डायरेक्शन, बट आई डोंट लाइक टू डू इट बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव सो मच ऑफ अ चीक बोन ऑन माई चीक्स. आई जस्ट गो straight and end in the middle portion. Okay, where if you look straight, you see my pupil is here, एंड ये जो आपकी आँख की पुतली है ब्लैक वाले, उससे स्ट्रेट नीचे आपको एंड करना है. ओके, सो यू डोंट नीड टू कम वेरी मच टुवर्ड्स योर माउथ. सो नाउ आई एम टेकिंग, इफ़ यू आर कन्फ्यूज, यू कैन ब्लेंड इट विद योर हैंड्स फर्स्ट. सी, इट इज़ ब्लेंडिंग आउट वेरी नाइसली. ओके, एंड यू कैन गो अपवर्ड with the same product. Whatever you're going to do with your makeup, try to use with very and start with very little प्रोडक्ट एंड देन यू कैन बिल्ड अप. आप एक ही बार में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट से स्टार्ट नहीं करो, क्योंकि फिर उसको ब्लेंड करने में या फिर उसको फिनिशिंग देने में थोड़ी दिक्कत आ सकती है. सो ट्राई टू start with very little product, and you can, if you need more product, you can use more products. Okay, so see, blend बहुत अच्छे से करना है. Now I'm going to use this angular brush. आप कोई भी ब्रश यूज़ कर सकते हो जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल हो. ओके, सो मोस्टली मैंने देखा है कि people use the brush in this direction. That's not the right direction. Okay, you have to put this pointed part on the upper portion and this one on the lower portion of your face, and try to blend upward. Okay, आपको कॉन्टोर हो या ब्रॉन्ज़र हो, आपको इससे नीचे नहीं जाना है. दिस पार्ट इज़ नॉट फॉर कॉन्टोर और ब्रॉन्जिंग. यू नीड टू टेक योर प्रोडक्ट upward and blend. Okay, blend it very nicely. So that was the main part where to contour. If you see the difference, you will be able to see the difference. यहाँ पे मेरे face more chisel and मतलब better and slimmer लग रहे. It's looking more chisel and slim, whereas this part of my face is looking a little chubby. So this is the reason why we do contour. So the next part is to do the contour on the forehead. So start with very little product and go towards the hairline. जहाँ आपने अपने फर्स्ट कॉन्टोरिंग शुरू की है वहाँ पे नहीं भूलना. आपकी फोरहेड बहुत छोटी है, do not contour. Okay, so we'll contour here. Try to go downward. Okay, जब आप यहाँ कॉन्टोरिंग ब्लेंड करते हो तो आपको नीचे जाना है. You have to blend downward, and when you do your contouring here, you have to go upward and not downward. So you have to keep in mind कि आपको ये वाली जो part है, from this part of your mouth till this part of your ears, and this portion, this middle portion should be clear. No contouring, no blush, no bronzer, nothing. So ये blend हो गई है. Now I'll blend my contour in my forehead. So when you do your bronzing or contour on your forehead, don't forget your hairline. Okay, जहाँ पे आपके bold patches है आप try करो blend करो. Okay, blend so that, because ये वाली part अगर आप देखोगे आपकी hairlines are white, ये ज़्यादा white होती है आपके face tone से. So आपको ये contour को अंदर ले जाना है ताकि बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस या बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग ना लगे when you do a partition or anything sort of a thing like that. So we are done with this part of the contouring. Now I'm going to show you the nose contouring. Okay, so everything we do is a purpose of needing. Okay, अगर आपके चेहरे में contour की ज़रूरत नहीं है, do not contour. But if you want, you know, sometimes to want a very chisel face or something, you can contour on your cheekbones. Okay, you can contour on the lower portion of your face. But if you have a very, you know, sharp nose and a very small forehead, try to avoid the contouring. You do not need it. Okay, it will make you look more, your face more tiny and slim, which will not look good. The next thing that I'm going to do is contour my nose. So I'm taking the same contour stick and we'll put, see my nose, if you see my nose structure, this part of my nose is very slim, but and I do not need to contour there. So the only portion where I need to balance is this portion of my nose. So I'll use very little contour just on this part of my face, if you see, and I'll blend this very nicely. मैं प्रोडक्ट को ऊपर की तरफ लेके जाऊंगी, but I'll not put extra product over there because I don't need it. So if you see the difference of my nose, this and this part, you will see a difference in the camera. So now we'll finish off with the contouring very nicely. So my nose contouring is done, if you see the difference. Okay, so I'll just do the rest of my face as well. The next part to make your face more chiseled is to use a powder for your baking purpose. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. So what I'm going to do is try to avoid with white powders. Okay, we are Indians, we have yellow toned face, so white powders will suit only people who are extremely fair. And अगर आप dusky या फिर whitish हो and you have a lot of yellow undertones in your skin, and if you use a white powder, it will, you know, आप जब photos and pictures click करोगे तो एक flashback आएगी which will not look good. So I am taking the powder and using it just जहाँ से मैंने आपको बोला था कि आपको वहाँ तक नहीं जाना है, उस पार्ट को खाली छोड़ना है. From this end of your lips ऊपर. So you have to make a V sort of thing. Okay, same thing on the other side also. If you're very confused, start from here, okay, and go upward. ये भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करना है, just a little bit. Okay, you can do this with your nose as well, just on the center of your nose and forehead if you need. Okay, so if you want, you can also bake under your eyes, but I have a very dry under eye, so I'll just take out the excess and just dab so that it doesn't look too much bad. I'll just dab off the excess and just dab the product. I'll not bake under my eyes because I have very drying under eyes. So we are done. Okay, so we'll let this powder sit for some time till the time we move to the second part, and that is bronzing. So this is a bronzer that I'm going to use. This is by Ofra. This is a blush bronzer, which is like you can use it here and also here, but we are not going to use this as a blush. We are only going to use this as a bronzer. So I'm going to take a brush like this, which is like a doe foot applicator sort of a brush. Going to dab some of it onto my brush, dab off the excess. And where do you need to bronze? जहाँ पे आपने अपना कॉन्टोरिंग किया है उसी को ऊपर ले जाते हुए आपको सेट करना. ओके, जस्ट नीड टू, इट्स लाइक ये सेटिंग. जैसे हम लोग बेस लगाने के बाद कॉन्टोर को सेट, फेस को पाउडर से सेट करते हैं, वैसे ही ब्रॉन्जर से आपको आपके कॉन्टोर के ऊपर सेट करना इन सिंपल वर्ड्स. Okay, just round, take it more and go wherever you have contour your face, वहाँ आपको bronzing करनी है. Okay, so we are done with bronzing. Anybody can use a bronzer in everyday life. If you're using a normal foundation, you can use a bronzer. Any skin color can use a bronzer. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बहुत विटिश हो तो आप यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. Yes, if you are very dusky or something like that, you can use a bronzer. Everybody uses a bronzer. It is not कि सिर्फ fair लोग ही bronzing use करते. Bronzing is especially for two reasons. One is that you can give a sun-kissed and sun-tanned effect on your face, and what I, from my point of view, think that bronzing is something which gives back dimension to my face. After using foundation and having a clean canvas, हमारा face बहुत ही white sort of हो जाता है, plain हो जाता है. तो I like using bronzer and blush to give back the dimension of my face. So I hope I am little able to clear the difference between the contour, where we use the contour to make your face more chiseled and more shaped up, and bronzing is something you can use for every purpose. It just to bring back the dimension of your face. So now what we're going to do is talk about a blush. So I am going to use the blush by Makeup Revolution. You can use any blush which you like. So what I'm going to do is take the blush again, tap it on back of my hand because बहुत ज़्यादा एक ही बार पे टैप नहीं करना. And where do you apply your blush? So if you see here, when I smile, this is the area where I need to use the blush, but I don't use so much of blush towards the front part of my nose. Okay, this area is not for blush, तो use it where you use, where आपको जैसे मैंने बताया था, ये जो pupil है हमारी आँखों की पुतली जो है उसके बस नीचे, उससे आगे आपको नहीं जाना है. So tap off the excess and just smile and use the blush. You can dab, you can also swirl the blush. आपको ब्लश को यहाँ नहीं लाना है, कीप दैट इन माइंड, डजंट लुक गुड. या ये जो आपकी आईज में जो डेंट पड़ जाती है, इससे ऊपर आपको नहीं जाना है. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक अ ब्लश ऊपर की तरफ, सी बनाना है आपको, अगर आपको पसंद नहीं है यहाँ जाना. सो डू नॉट, I like it. You can just use it on your cheeks, and I also like to use my blush on my nose. This is personal preference. If you don't like it, please you can skip it. Okay, so that was blush. We're also done with blushing our face. ठीक है, clean brush, आप कोई भी brush ले सकते हो, और जो powder आपने लगाया है उसको blend out करना है. सो हमने ब्लेंड आउट कर लिया. स्टेप इज़ टू यूज़ अ हाइलाइटर, बट वन pro tip that I would like to give you is, before using a highlighter, any highlighter, tend to set your face. Okay, I'm going to use this Ofra setting spray. So what you need to do is use a setting spray before your highlighter, okay, and let it sit for good 2 minutes. इससे क्या होता है, आपने जो भी पाउडर अपने फेस पे लगाया है वो मेल्ट डाउन हो जाती है. ओके, सो उसे टाइम दीजिए. एंड व्हेन यू यूज़ अ हाइलाइटर आफ्टर setting spray, you will see that the effect of the highlighter is even more than the normal. अगर आप नॉर्मली लगाते हो तो उतना हाईलाइट आपका दिखता नहीं है, बट आफ्टर यूजिंग अ सेटिंग स्प्रे, लेटिंग इट सिट फॉर गुड 2 minutes, उसके बाद आप अपना हाईलाइटर लगाए और सी द डिफरेंस दैट इट गिव्स यू मोर शीक एंड शाइन इन योर फेस. So the next step is to use a highlighter. I'm going to use the Becca highlighter, and I'm going to use this sort of a brush. You can use any brush, you can use the fan brush, you can use your fingers, but I'm going to use this brush. So what and where do we highlight? Okay, if you're very confused about where to apply your highlighter, you can take a selfie when the sun ray hits on your face directly. When you take a selfie, see the picture where the sunlight hits the most. Okay, जिस part पे sunlight सबसे ज़्यादा reflect करे वही आपका highlighting point है. So every person have a different choice of highlighting. Somebody likes it here where you see that the highlight, the light is falling, you know, directly there. You can put it here in this part of your face, on your forehead. You can use it on your nose, on your cupid bow, on your chin, on your brow bone. So I like to use it here and blend it, and I also like to blend it with my blush, because I don't want all the focus to make it a streak light. मैं ये नहीं चाहती कि ये straight line की तरह लगे. So I blend the highlighter with my blush. Okay, so that is where I use my highlighter. So you can do the same thing on the other side, little bit on my nose. I love putting it here. You can also use it on the bridge of your nose. I don't like to put it on the bridge of my nose. The cupid's bow on my chin, and just the rest on my forehead. You can also use it on your brow bones, and we are done. This is how I wanted to show you how to contour, bronze, highlight and use your blush correctly. I hope that it was, you know, easy for you to understand in the way I made you understand and made this video. If you have any questions related to this video, you can comment down in the comment section. You can also message me in my Instagram handle. The link will be down in the description box, and also here in the screen I'll give the the name of my handle somewhere in the screen. So without hesitating, you can message me and ask me whatever you want related to makeup and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video as I did making it. So if you liked my video and you like my work, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.